Chair. Minister, you're a mom, I'm a mom, and recently in BC, protocols have been put in place to allow so-called safe supply of fentanyl to kids under 18 without parental consent or knowledge.
I say this as the Minister of Mental Health and Addictions, it is my sole focus to save lives.
What are the Liberals up to again? Hi, welcome to A Network. Let's listen to the honk lady, the one that is the here for your best interest mental health minister, reply to that question. Let's have a listen.
My question is simple. Have you met with the Prime Minister to put a stop to this?
I think the more important question is to meet with the experts who are involved in the prescriber intervention models that you discussed, because they are truly the experts in this field, which is something that we have done. And like yourself, I am a mother.
Have you met with the Prime Minister, yes or no?
I meet with the Prime Minister regularly.
She never answered the question, but there's a theme. There's a theme in all of this. I will put on Catherine Tate, and I'll put on what she says about an answer on if CBC deserves the $1 billion, because I see a theme with the Hong Kong lady and CBC and all these surveys. So let's listen to Catherine Tate for a second.
Madam Chair, if I may, I don't agree with the premise.
No,
I don't agree with the premise. 79% of Canadians say that it is important for the country to have a public broadcaster like CBC Radio-Canada. 82% say...
Who commissioned that poll?
Those are our public perception surveys that we conduct.
Oh, you conducted, okay.
But
so your polling tells you that Canadians like what you're doing.
The theme is, and to go back to what Layla said, it's horrible. You don't need to be a mother. You just need to be a human being to realize that is wrong. First of all, who is this prescriber intervention model? So it's a AI model, business model, bunch of PhDs. That's why they decide who, not who you voted for. A bunch of team of people. You'll never know who they are. You'll never see it published. You'll never hear anything about them. They're the ones that said that it's the right thing to do. And with Catherine Tate, there's a survey. She's justifying her $1 billion because of survey, 86%. Isn't that super duper? Like, that's really the only thing that she had to say, that there's a survey that says, that we're needed. I think if you ask those people and say, you want to pay $30 a month for that? They say, no. They would say, no, I don't want that garbage. That's what they say. And remember the other survey too, and they're all the time. Canada's second best country in the world. And this is all Liberals go by. It's the survey, it's the poll, and it's the experts that all are the ones that make the decisions. And even in Catherine Tate, do you want to make the bonuses higher? Oh, she votes with 10 people, and obviously all of them are going to say yes. Like, how does that meeting go where Catherine Tate says, you know what, Trudeau wants to print some money and we're all going to get $100,000. Who says yay or nay? Oh, Gord? You don't want it, Gord? I think that guy's out, man. He's out in the next round. You're going to be gone, Gord. You better say yes to that meeting. Like, that's how they always fall back. And the last one too, I'll make a separate video on Trudeau and Randy. They go off on this hate spewing crap. You want this, you want that. I'll make a separate video because those two are like verbal diarrhea of their hate that they spread on it. So that's the themes that I see with this, and it's really, really annoying how there's no accountability. And Doug Ford would maybe do the same thing, just blame someone else. I don't care if it's a municipal, a provincial, or a federal. It's still the government. I don't care. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter. You guys can fight over who it is, but I don't care. You all are not working together and doing that. And that's what I see. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope that was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot. Thanks for watching.
Have you met with the Prime Minister to discuss fentanyl to children under 18 and putting an end to it, yes or no?
The question should be asked is meeting with experts and physicians who are responsible for prescriber models to their patients, medical practitioners,
with children under 18 getting fentanyl. Have you met with the Prime Minister to discuss fentanyl to children under 18 and putting an end to it, yes or no?
The question should be asked is meeting with experts and physicians who are responsible for prescriber models to their patients, medical practitioners,
with children under 18 getting fentanyl.
The question was whether or not I met with the Prime Minister. That was not
Okay.
The question was not
Then
whether
are
or not.
you okay with children under 18 being prescribed fentanyl? Yes or no?
I am comfortable with medical practitioners meeting with their patients.
Okay,
to
thank you,
understand
Minister.
what is best
So
for their patients.
on September 26th,
I say this as the Minister of Mental Health and Addictions,
Thank
that
you.
it is my sole focus to save lives.